guys, welcome back to my channel. I know you're probably wondering, like, girl, why are we all the way down here? Like, why? But basically I recorded this intro on my my hands are ashy, on my other camera, and I did not like the way it came out, and I'm too lazy to like set it back up, so I just decided to come here. But anyway, on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this super quick, cute and easy pigtail messy bun hairstyle. I was inspired by Daina here on YouTube, aka Tootsie Time. I'll link her channel down below, or a video where she's wearing the style. So yeah, before we get started, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and click that bell notification symbol, because if you don't, you will not know when I upload, girl, and you don't want to miss any of this, okay? But anyway, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and yeah, if you would like to see how I got it, then just keep on watching.
Cause I don't want nobody but you. I don't need nobody that wants your mind and body, that keep me in this life. I don't want nobody but you. Nobody who can love you like me. Nobody, girl, I'm all that you need. Nobody who can love you like me. Nobody, baby. And I still feel like you just don't get it. Friends always talking down on me, you do not have to listen. Cause you told me yourself I'm the definition of different. So how could you take some advice about me and you from a chick with no nigga all on my Twitter? Like you peep that she think you a fool. Screenshots, click, click, send it through. Well damn shorty, you can see that's a fan shorty. Don't forget I'm the man shorty. I'm overridden, tell your friend to be seated. There's something she don't understand shorty. Listen, it may seem like I don't got enough time for you. You be thinking I'm ignoring you, but I ain't never ignoring you. You think I'm out here giving your time to somebody else. I'm really just focused on myself. I only want you, baby. There's so many things that I love doing to your body. Yeah, I love it, yeah, I love it. If not with me, then I can't see you with nobody. No. I don't need nobody. Cause I don't want nobody but you. I don't need nobody, babe. I want your mind and body, babe. Leave me in this life, I don't want nobody but you. Nobody who can love you like me. Nobody, girl, I'm all that you need. Nobody who can love you like me. Nobody, baby.
Alright guys, so that is going to conclude this video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, comment down below, and girl, subscribe and hit the bell symbol, okay? So yeah, thank you guys so much as always. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.